Warning.
So I'm glad that I actually started to clean up my library because first of all, I found this. I never used this. I hauled this for, what was this? Back in February. You know, Target does like their Black History Month. I remember I bought it in January and I liked it because you can take like some of the pictures, you actually can cut them out and frame them. But then when I got my other calendar, I kind of put this on the back burner. So I never used it. But I'm going to keep it because, I mean, I don't want to throw it away. Even though clearly I can't use it anymore. But yeah, remember this was like 10 bucks. So then I found this. Alice Walker, Possessing the Secret of Joy. She has sequels or whatever to The Color Purple. Or like a series. I got this because, oh yeah, because Adam, that's Celie's son. It's about his wife, yeah. But I don't know why I got this because this is mass market paperback. Walker collection is right here and I don't have that, so I'm still gonna put it in there if it can fit. Yeah. Okay. And then since I have been kind of sick, I'm going to spray my room with this Lysol Air. I love these. Like, oh my gosh. It really does sanitize the air, and I've been coughing. And then I want to show you guys my new pieces of like artwork that I got recently. I got it from the dollar store, so let me show you. So I got these two new ones. You guys remember I hauled this for my birthday. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And they're only $1.25. So the portrait I did have on here, I took it down because I wanted it to kind of like, I don't know, look in sync, and I love it. The time now when I go to the dollar store, I always go and look at their decor section because if they have some of these, I will get them. These are perfect for like gallery walls and things like that. And they're perfect for me because I don't have enough room like on the walls anymore in this room. So like these little things, so this size is just perfect. I love them so much. So yeah, if you're ever in a Dollar Tree, look at the decor section, and sometimes they'll have them, sometimes they don't, because every time I've gone, they didn't. And before Thanksgiving, I went to get like some household things, and I'm like, let me check, and there were two, and I got them. We're gonna need to change this calendar out because it's no longer November. I'm so sad about this calendar because I don't think I can get another one for next year. Lanice Howard, I got it from Barnes & Noble, and look, love it. I love this calendar so much. I really wish I could find another one for next year or something similar. I'm still gonna look. I don't want to give up. Okay guys, so I want to show you just some recent books I got. It's a small haul for me because I haven't been buying a lot of books. I've been buying a lot of records, a lot of vinyl. As y'all know, I've been on this vinyl kick. So I bought tons. But I've been kind of neglecting the book. First, I think I showed you and told you guys about this. This is Pauline Hopkins on One Blood. I wanted to get this because she's known for her Harlem Renaissance, even though this was published in 1902 and 1903. It was published in a magazine. And it deals with colorism, it deals with race, it deals with heritage, culture. And I love this edition too. She is an author that is not really known, so you already know that's up my alley. Then I got Ruthless. By Crystal Zara. I'm even going to try to pronounce that last name. This cover, amazing. I am on page 147. I put it down because I was reading our book club for November. So I had to get that done. But this, oh my gosh, so far it is really good. So I'm going to pick this back up tonight and in conjunction with whatever else I have to read. I think I want to do like read a book in one day, just to kind of get that TBR down. But yeah, then I got this Sapphire and the Slave Girl by Willa Cather. She's known for My Antonia, I believe. She's a white author. I got this because clearly it's a rare edition. This edition actually was in copyright in 1940. It's about a white couple. They own a slave and the mistress is jealous of the slave. And yeah, I was looking at Wikipedia and I had to stop looking because it was giving like some tea. And I'm like, okay, no, I don't want to know. But I know in Toni Morrison's Critical Analysis, Playing in the Dark, she talks about this, how white authors think they have the privilege and knowledge of, you know, writing about black authors, and they get it wrong. And we're, you know, like a stereotype, and they don't, you know. She was going in on the whites. I remember when I read this and I saw this book, I was like, wait, that's what Toni Morrison was talking about. So I really want to get into this. And she's not really known for this book. She's only known for that one book. And then I got The Heaven and Earth Grocery Store by James McBride. This was our book club for October. And it was okay. I would give it about a 3-star. This is my second time reading James McBride. I've only read... before this, it was The Color of Water, which is his memoir, and it's fantastic. He's black and Jewish. So yeah, this is the first time I read a fiction book by him, and I would give him a try again. This just wasn't my favorite. And then the last book I showed you guys, it was sent to me by Random House. It is Teddy and Booker T. Washington by Brian Kilmeade. I have another book by him that's talking about Frederick Douglass and Abraham Lincoln, how they connected, and how Frederick Douglass really helped Abraham Lincoln, you know, during his presidency. When I saw this, I was like, you know what? I wouldn't mind them sending me a copy. So yeah, I can't wait to get into this because I know bits and pieces of these figures in history. And that is it when it comes to the books. I'm going to look out for some Black Christmas books. I've been looking some up, and mainly there have been like some Christmas romances. I'm not really in the mood for a romance. Y'all know what, last month I was like all into it, in October too, like November and October, it was like romance back. I go through little, you know, cycles, so I don't really want a romance right now. So if you guys know any, please tell me, because I think maybe tomorrow I'm probably gonna hit up a bookstore and buy some books as opposed to some vinyls. Okay, now for the 3 Christmas songs that I listened to today. So the first one was Santa Claus is Coming to Town by the Jackson 5. Love that version. I wish I can get that on vinyl. I'm gonna have to look that up if I can get that on vinyl, because Michael and his brothers be singing the mess out of that. Next is the Supremes, My Favorite Things. You guys know I've been on a Supreme kick for the past like 2 weeks, and you guys saw yesterday I picked up their greatest hits, and oh my goodness, I have been listening to it and love it. And then the last song I listened to is Brandy, Christmas for Two. That song's a really good song when you like on a highway at night, just like driving, because it's real mellow and chill, you know what I mean? And her voice is just so smooth. If you guys haven't listened to Brandy's Christmas album, I highly would recommend you do, because it's, like I said, it's stellar. It's really, really good. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you when it comes to this video, and I'll be back with more Black books. Bye.